Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming model and firmware so you know which menu to expect. Once done, connect your phone or PC to the same network and open the CP Plus mobile app or the camera's web interface. Log in with the admin account. Make sure you have the correct password. If using an NVR, select the camera channel and open Live View settings. This gets you to the device controls quickly without guessing where IR settings live. Now navigate to Image or Advanced Settings. Different firmwares label it differently. You're looking for IR, Night Vision, or Smart IR. When you find the toggle, switch it to off or to an auto setting that disables IR in daylight. Make sure to preview the live feed as you toggle so you can see immediate effect. If the image gets too dark, adjust exposure or gain slightly to compensate. Save settings and allow the camera a few seconds to apply changes before moving on. Finally, save settings and reboot the camera or NVR so changes persist. Verify in live view that the IR LEDs are off and that the image reflects your adjustment. If night vision remains active, check for scheduled night modes, make sure you're on the admin account, and confirm firmware is up to date. Older firmware can ignore IR commands. As a last resort, disable or cover the IR manually or use an IR cut filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.